So in this problem, they give us that a and b are numbers, and this is all equal to 32. Now the key to this problem is what we call factor by grouping. So if I write this out, we get a squared b minus 3a minus 2ab squared plus 6b equals 32. And what we do is we factor by grouping. That is, we take the first two and we take the second two, and we factor out what they have in common. So with the first two, we can factor out an a. And so we're left with ab minus 3. And for the second two, we can factor out a negative 2b. And anytime your leading term is negative, you want to factor that negative out. And we're left with ab minus 3 again. And so all of that is equal to 32. So we had 4 terms, and now we're down to 2. And what do these two have in common? Well, these two have an a, b minus 3 in common. And what's left? What's in front? A minus 2b. All right, so it's been factored. But then the question goes on to say if a is 2 more than twice b. What that's saying is that a is. And anytime you see the word is, it means equals. 4 more than, so we're adding 4 to twice b, so 2b. So what we can do is we can replace a with 2b plus 4. And we want to determine the product ab. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to replace a with 2b plus 4 everywhere. I'm just going to replace it here. I'm going to show you what happens. Because when we make this replacement, 2b plus 4 minus 2b, we have ab minus 3 equals 32. Notice what happens. The 2b's, they cancel. So we still have ab minus 3. But ab is what we want. So we're just going to leave that. So now we divide both sides by 4. So ab minus 3 equals 8. So to get ab by itself, we add 3 to both sides. And so ab equals 11. And so that is our value. That is our answer. And we're done.